Hi everyone, welcome back to Decorate Your Table with Brenda. Last time I talked about some of the projects we worked on in the summer. This was one of our projects. It took us a little over a week, a lot of arguments, almost 2 divorces, but the finished product was worth it. So today, instead of doing my table, I thought I'd set up the mantel. This could also, you could lay this flat on the table and have the same effect. So I wanted to keep my mantel fairly simple. I didn't want it overly fussy. Most of the pieces here, I bought them at the dollar store. I bought this package of netting and it came with 6 large spiders and they just kind of hook into the netting. And then I put some up on the wall as if they're crawling away, and I just used blue tack for that. I had some little pumpkins. I've had these for a while. So I just set them on the mantel and I added some little spiders to up the spider creepiness factor. Then I bought this really pretty sparkly tree, spooky tree, and I bought a little haunted house and I kind of upped it a little bit, adding the lights and that. So let me show you how I did that. So this is a little haunted house I bought at Dollarama. It's quite cute, and it was to have a candle in the back here, but I found the light didn't make it all the way up to the top windows. So I'm just going to make it a little bit more spooky, very simply. I've got some red plastic. It came off, I think it came off a tablecloth. I've had these little bits of paper around, and I cut them so they cover the windows and just put them down with a little bit of tape. And the last little window here. Oops, it's backwards. Okay, then I took some Christmas lights. And these ones are actually the multicolored lights, but I like the effect. It gives the windows, each window looks a little different. So I just put that in. And then I just used little bits of tape. And I taped the lights down. There's no particular order, but I tried to get at least one little light in each window. These lights are wired. They're on like a wire, so they bend easily. And you just bend them around until you get them where you want them. And so you stand it up. And the different colored lights give each window a different look. It just adds a little bit to the spookiness of the house. So now let's put it on our mantel. So we're going to set our haunted house in front of this glittery tree that I also got at the dollar store. And that completes our mantel. I hope everyone has a safe and spooky Halloween. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.